Students, this is Sivakumar, 11th Standard Mathematics, Chapter number 1, Continuation of Exercise 1.2. In 1.2, question number 1, subdivision number 4. Let A be the set consisting of all the female members of a family. Female members of a family. The relation or is defined by A is related to B if A is not a sister of B. This is a given statement. A is not a sister of B. Okay. Here is the question. We have to verify one by one reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. I consider a family consisting of 4 members: mother, daughter 1, daughter 2, and grandmother. Right here, mother, daughter 1, daughter 2, so grandmother. 4 members of a family, female members only. I start with the reflexive. For reflexive, statement is followed by a relation. For reflexive, you have to consider only one element. That means one family member of the only one family member out of 4. Okay. I consider mother. M is not a sister of M. This is a given statement. Look at that. You have to consider not a sister of M. Mother is not a sister of mother. The given statement is true. It's correct only, no? Mother is not a sister of mother. Same mother. Therefore, M is related to M. This yeah or refers the given statement is true. Which one is a statement? Is not a sister. Therefore, have to mention or. If the given statement is false, you have to mention not related to. Okay. Therefore, or is reflexive. Next, we can go for symmetric. For symmetric, start with the relation. Statement. Again statement. Then relation. Here you have to consider 2 family members. You know very well. So I consider 2 family members by obeying this condition. What's the condition? Not a sister. So I have to consider M and D1 or M and D2 or M and GM. You are not supposed to consider D1 and D2 because the D1 and D2 are sisters. So I can go for M and D1. M or D1. That means mother is not a sister of daughter 1. Mother is not a sister of D1. Correct only. Now, a reverse statement. What about D1 and M? D1 is not a sister of M. D1 is not a sister of mother. Obviously true, because this is a given statement. Therefore, D1 is related with M. This or refers not a sister. The given statement is true. Therefore, or is symmetric. Finally, you can go for transitive. For transitive, you have to consider 3 family members. 2. First part 2, another part 2, but one should be common. So finally, 3 family members only. How to take? Here also you start with the relation. I can go for 2 different cases. Okay, case 1, relation, statement, again statement, then relation. Okay, I consider D1, M and GM. Daughter 1, first daughter, mother and grandmother. Okay, first I consider D1 and DM. D1 is related with M and M is related with GM. Okay, D1 is not a sister of M. Correct only. D1 is not a sister of M. M refers mother, D1 that's the first daughter. And M, mother is not a sister of grandmother. That is also correct. M is not a sister of grandmother. Right? Now, here ends with M, here starts with M, continuity is there. So, we have to consider these 2. What about the statement? D1 and GM. D1 is not a sister of GM. This is also correct. Therefore, daughter 1, first daughter is not a sister of grandmother. Obviously true. So, D1 is related to GM. Okay. In this case, we can say or is transitive. Or is transitive. Now I can go for case 2. Another case. Case 2. Here I consider daughter 1, mother, daughter 2. Relation, statement, again statement, relation. Okay. Now I take these two, D1 or M, and M or D2. D1 to M, M to D2. We can verify. Daughter 1 is not a sister of mother. Absolutely correct. Daughter 1 is not a sister of mother. And what about M and D2? M is not a sister of D2. This is also correct. So the given statement is, remember, not a sister. Now, here ends with M, here starts with M, continuity is there, so we have to consider these two. So D1 and D2. D1 is a sister or not a sister? Obviously sister only. D1 is a sister of D2. This is against our statement. Our statement is not a sister. So what you are getting here? Sister of. Therefore, D1 is not related to D2. Okay. Right. Here R refers, don't get confused. Here R refers relation, not the family relation. The given statement is not a sister, but you are getting a sister. Therefore, this is not related. This is against our given statement. Okay. Therefore, D1 is not related to D2. So, in this case, we have proved R is not transitive. Already I told you, in any one of the cases, if we prove or is not transitive, the final result is not transitive only. Okay. Even though in case 1 or is transitive, but we have proved or is not transitive. Final result, or is not transitive only. But the book answer is wrong. You are given transitive in that book answer because they have taken that case 1 only. It is also possible, we have proved that or is not transitive. The final result is not transitive only. Okay. Subdivision number 4 is completed. I hope that you have understood this problem. Then I'll be teaching the next subdivision, that is subdivision number 5, in the next video. Thank you, children.